Hey guys, I'm Steven. We're going to talk about the 3 reasons why you need to start right now, not later. Don't hold off. Do your actions and don't make excuses. This is really important. I say every video is life-changing stuff. This is really life-changing stuff. Don't learn, learn from my mistakes. Let's start the video right now. All right, so here's the thing. My name's Steven. This is called New Thinking, New Life, and I need you to remember the camera's over here because I keep looking over there. Guess what? I make these videos to help me, to help you, to help whoever. I want to make sure that you know that you can change your thinking and you can change your life. If you like this video, click subscribe, click the little bell button, and then that way you guys will know when I do new videos. 3 reasons why you need to start right now, not tomorrow, not in 6 months. I'm going to give you the 3 reasons. Don't make the mistakes I did, which is you spin your wheels, make excuses, don't do anything, and then boom, years have passed. Okay, number 1. Reason number one. Time will pass regardless of what you're doing. This is really important. This is the number 1. These aren't really in order, but this is the most important. Time is going to pass regardless of what you are doing. So if you are sitting at a job, scanning groceries, or doing some job that doesn't inspire you and you don't like that, and you're thinking, I'm going to go to school, I could go to school and get a degree, but it takes too long. Well, what are you doing in the meantime? Time is going to pass. Whether or not you're going to be going to school during that time while you're working, or you're waiting for that perfect time, time is going to pass. Time doesn't stop. It's relentless. It's one of the only consistent, constant things in the universe other than gravity and vibration that I know of. So time will pass. What are you doing with that time? If in 4 years you're 4 years older, are you 4 years older with a degree and the chances of getting a better career? Are you 4 years older with all that travel you want to do underneath your belt and get that world experience? Do what you want to do because time will pass. Reason number 2. The new skills you will gain trying to start now, not later. See, every task, everything we try to do, it all involves making new connections, new skills, new neural connections, new personal connections, new experiences. And the new skills that you will gain make you a different person altogether. People meet you later on and they say, wow, you've really changed. There's something different about you. Or they say, look at you physically because you decided to start now and not later for that diet you said you were going to do. Or you started lifting weights in November instead of waiting till January. People will always gain new skills when they try to do new things and take on new endeavors. What skills will you gain by starting now? Ask yourself that. And number 3, tres, as they say in Espanol, it's the person you'll become the minute you begin that journey. Now, this is an old Jim Rohn thing. I think it came from his mentor, Earl Schoaf, and it said that becoming a millionaire is not about the money that you'll gain. It's about the person you will become in that process. And if you ever were to become a millionaire, you're going to be able to lose everything you have and become a millionaire again. And that's just the one thing. So maybe take money out of the equation, the person you'll become in the process. If you decide that you're going to start a charity, okay, you are inspired because something you saw inspired you. Start the charity. In 2 years' time or even 5 days' time, you become a different person. And the different person that you become in the process starts the minute you decide to make the change and take the actions that you need to take. I hope all that makes sense to you. So to recap, we have time is going to pass regardless of what you decide to do. If you want to wait or you say that the thing is going to take you too much time, so what? Too bad. Time's not stopping for you. It's going to pass regardless. Number 2, you're going to gain a bunch of new skills. In order to get to where you are, the very first day, the very first step, if you decide that you were going to take a journey across the country, you're going to learn a new skill the minute you leave your driveway. Number 3, the person you'll become starts the minute you start off on your endeavor. You're going to become a better person the minute you start. So become a better person or don't start and stay the same way. And don't forget, we never stay the same. We're always going backwards or forwards. Nothing ever stays the same. Vibration is always happening. So you either vibrate higher up or you vibrate backwards. So which way do you want to go? That's the question I have. So if you have something you've been putting off, sit down, get out a pen and paper, get out a notepad. Remember I told you about the notepads. Get yourself a notepad, write in the notebooks. I love these ones with the graph paper because I can organize points and bullet lists. Sit down and do what you have to do. Start today, not tomorrow. Take 5 minutes and start on your journey, start on your path, start to accomplish your goal because time's not going to stop. Things are going to happen around you. I'm Steven. If you like this video, you're just browsing through, click on the subscribe button, click the bell. There's a review in the box below. Man, I'm losing my words. There's a review in the box below of a product that I really like that helps you with learning the law of attraction, and lots of other free articles on that same website. Well, thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.